अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। मेरा नाम है नफीस अमानुल्लाह और यूट्यूब सीरीज़ का ये हमारा दूसरा लेक्चर है जिसमें हम क्लास 10 मैथ्स यूनिट नंबर 12 के थ्योरम्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। पहले लेक्चर में हमने थ्योरम नंबर 12.1 डिस्कस किया था, उसको हमने प्रूव किया था और आज के लेक्चर में हम थ्योरम नंबर 12.2 डिस्कस करेंगे जिसकी स्टेटमेंट है एंगल्स इन द सेम सेगमेंट ऑफ अ सर्कल आर इक्वल। यानी कि किसी भी सर्कल के सेम सेगमेंट में जो एंगल्स फॉर्म होंगे हमारे पास, लेट्स सपोज कि ये हमारे पास एक सर्कल है, इसका सेम सेगमेंट हम एक ले लेते हैं कि उसके अंदर जो हमारे पास एंगल्स फॉर्म होंगे वो एंगल्स हमारे पास हमेशा जो है वो इक्वल आएंगे। लेट्स सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज ए ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल, दिस इज द बी पॉइंट, दिस इज सी पॉइंट एंड दिस इज द डी पॉइंट। Now we will join point A with point C and point B with point D. After that, in order to form the angles, we will join point B with point C and point A with point D like this. Now, as you can see here in this diagram, two angles are formed in the same segment of the circle. One is the angle ACB and the other one is the angle ADB. These are also known as the circumangles. Why? Because these angles are formed at the circumference of the circle. So that's why we can also call these angles as the circumangles. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थ्योरम में जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि हम लिखते हैं कि हमें स्टेटमेंट में गिवन क्या है। वी आर गिवन दैट angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. This is we have to prove. What are the angles? Angle ACB and the second angle is angle ADB. So we will write that measurement of angle ACB and measurement of angle ADB are circumangles of a circle having center O. Having center O. Students, as we know that there is only one center in case of a circle, so let's suppose this is the center O. So what are we asked to prove here? We are asked to prove that the angle ACB and the angle ADB that are forming in the same segment of this circle, these angles are equal, which means that measurement of angle ACB is equal to measurement of angle ADB. So we have to prove this. Now, the third step that we do in solving the theorems is to draw the construction and write down the construction. And as I already told you that construction is basically the extra work that we perform to prove the statement of our theorem. So in construction, what will we do? We will join O with A and B with O. So as you can see that here at the center of the circle an angle is formed, that is AOB. This is the central angle. So we'll write in construction, join O with A and B so that measurement of angle AOB is central angle. Now students, the most important step of the theorem is to prove the statement. So अब हम इसके proof की तरफ जाएंगे. So proof में हम again यहाँ पर दो ब्लॉक्स बना लेते हैं, ठीक है। एक ब्लॉक में हम अपनी स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे और दूसरे ब्लॉक में हम उस स्टेटमेंट को प्रूव करने के लिए जो भी हमारी रीजंस हैं हम वो रीजंस यहाँ पर देंगे कि व्हाई आर वी राइटिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट। स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी स्टैंड ऑन दिस साइड ऑफ द सर्कल, ऑन द साइड ऑफ आर्क ए बी, ठीक है, स्टैंडिंग on same side of A, B. We are looking this circle from this side. So when we observe from this side, we will notice that this AOB is the central angle and ACB and ADB, both of these are the circumangles. So we'll write that measurement of angle AOB is central angle and measurement of angle ACB and measurement of angle ADB are circumangles. So as we already discussed in our previous theorem, that is theorem number 12.1, that the circumangle is basically the half of the central angle, or you can say that the central angle is the double of the circumangle. So in this case we are given that in this reason we write it as given, and this we have proved in construction. So first of all, we will write that measurement of angle AOB is equal to, this is the central angle. So it would be the double of the circumangle, that is ACB. Measurement of angle ACB, this is equation number 1. Now again, this central angle AOB is also the double of this circumangle ADB. Measurement of angle ADB. This is equation number 2. So both of these statements we have already proved in theorem number 12.1. तो हम इसके आगे जस्ट रीजन लिखेंगे, जो हमारे पास थ्योरम नंबर 1 की स्टेटमेंट है, हम वो स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे यहाँ पर कि central angle is double of the corresponding circumangle, or you can say that you can also write it as the theorem number 1 statement. Okay, so now we will add these two, we will compare, we will equate these two equations because one side of both of these equations is same. So we will compare 1 and 2. It will become 2 measurement of angle ACB is equals to 2 measurement of angle ADB. Reason will be by equating equation number 1 and 2. So when we equate these two equations, it will become like this. 2 will be cancelled out with this 2. So we will be left with measurement of angle ACB is equal to measurement of angle ADB. So students, this was what we asked to prove in the statement of this theorem, that the two angles in the same segment of a circle are always equal. So these angles ACB and ADB are the two angles that are existing in the same segment of this circle. So we have proved this statement. So students, अगर आपको मेरी बनाई हुई वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हैं तो काइंडली इस वीडियो के नीचे लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। अगर आप कोई स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक समझना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट सेक्शन में इसको मेंशन ज़रूर कीजिए, और मैं आपके लिए उस टॉपिक के ऊपर जो है वो एक न्यू वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर दूंगा। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।